What's up, guys? We're back in YouTube. My name's Edith. I'm here with Clutch C. We're going to do left and right turns at a stop. Let's ride.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never.
What you're gonna do, you can do a hard lock to your left and then just go left. Just stay in between the box and this pole. Look, don't panic. Don't panic. If you go past the box, don't worry about it. Just get used to making that left turn from a stop. So what happened?
I pressed the gas too much.
You didn't commit.
No.
Once you commit, you gotta go.
Yes, sir.
I mean, just think about it. You making a left there, and on one side, cars coming the opposite way. You don't want to go across. See the line right here?
Yes, sir.
This line right here, you don't want to go past this line. Because on this side of the line, cars are coming towards you.
Right.
So once you commit, give it gas and go. Ain't nothing in front of you. Just once you commit, so you could full lock it once you get in the center, you know, do a full lock, or get right about right here and get a full lock. One thing is gonna help you. Don't look around here. You already know what's here. Look down the road there. Look where you wanna go. Wherever you turn your head at, that's where your body gonna turn, your arms are gonna turn.
Yes, sir.
So if you look here, your arm's gonna stay like they are. If you look down there, the bike automatically turns and go that way. It's crazy, but if you look that way as you doing that, and don't look here, if you look that way, the bike will go that way. But when you commit and go.
Yes, sir.
That's good. I think we're gonna do that line too, that you can't go past this line. Cause she went way over there.
She was scared of leaning over.
Right, no, that's the whole point. We gotta get her not to go across the line. All right, we tighten up where the box is right here. We tighten it up.
Hold up, wait.
Cut. Good job with the turn, but you just hit a car.
Broke your leg.
Look, you don't have a right leg anymore. Try it again. Do a full lock once you turn. Lock it. Lock. Go. Yep. Go.
Scared her.
That's good. That's good. She needs some fear in her life. That's good. Because it's real when you get out there in the real world. You can't hit Jose right here, and you can't hit the box right there. Turn. All right, this time you didn't lose a leg, but you scratched the side of that car. So it just sounds like you didn't give it enough gas. Give it a little gas and you're easing up the clutch, just give it some gas. That's why you stalled. So how you feeling?
Feeling good.
Okay.
I needed to get this already.
Perfect. Hey, that was perfect. So you felt how it felt. So just feel it. It's the exact same thing. Do that way 2 more times, then we're gonna go left. So what happened?
I don't know what happened there.
You look down. Look ahead, look where you want to go, and commit. All right, so good job again. You see what happens when you can feel it, the clutch and throttle, and you look, I saw you looking the way you want to go, no matter what. If you think you're messing up, looking down is not going to help you at anything. Look where you want to go, commit and go. That was great. Right turn, that was left turns for you. Now this is going to be right turns. So exact same thing. So remember,
Lesson 1, turn on the bike.
Lesson 1, turn on the bike, yeah. So remember, this cone right here, you can start, immediately you can start turning. Don't wait till you get way over here to start turning.
Okay.
Here's your box right here.
Okay.
So just right in here, you can, go ahead and commit. All right, so we're gonna do a stop. I mean, you don't try to go more than 10 miles an hour, 5, 10, just so you can get a feeling of it. So come around, go that way, come back this way. All right, good job. But here's your stopping line right here. You stopped at the pole. Remember I said start preparing yourself at the pole, but you're gonna actually stop in between the cones.
Okay.
Try it again. So you're getting a feel of how the brakes do, right?
Right.
You're getting a real good feel of the brakes now.
Right.
But, and that's good. You stopped before you hit this car. So that's good. Just kind of take your time and ease the brakes. Don't snatch the brakes.
This time the other times I was just pressing on it. This time I think it's a feeling of easing it in.
That's all it is. All right, that was okay. At least you're not going past the cone, so.
Are you doing it?
Do it again. right, so you've been doing it with your front brake, right?
Hmm?
You've been doing it with the front brake,
Front
right?
and back.
Next time, you've been using the back?
Front and back.
Next time, don't use the front.
Just the back?
Just use your back only.
Okay.
At slow speeds, you can use your back only.
Okay.
When you're going a lot faster, then you got to use both.
Okay.
But just when you going 5-7 miles an hour, just your back speed. Because what your brake, I noticed when you using your front brake, you start
Yeah.
jiggling at the end. And that's because, you know, you lose the control. Your back brake will give you better control.
Okay.
You don't have to worry about the handlebar. So this time, go down, come back brake only.
Yes,
You
sir.
feel that back brake will make you feel a lot straighter. Once you start doing it.
You have more control. Try it. All right, she should be doing back brake only. What happened? You hit the gas?
I pressed it down. I think I pressed it down.
You press your gas too.
Yeah.
You should be off your gas. Get off of it.
Okay.
Try it again. Back brake on. Back brake on. Oh, see, it felt better, huh? Yeah, it felt better. Complete stops.
Yes, sir.
You know, turns to the left, turns to the right. You did some emergency brakes. So how do you feel?
I feel more confident. I like that I'm getting to know more the bike, to be honest with you. I like to get a feeling of how the bike basically rides, you know. And with this, and the more and more I practice with it, the more I get to, I guess, know the bike more.
Right.
And get to handle the weight as well of it. Because something I've never been used to.
All right, how are your coaches?
Man, they're the best. I ain't gonna lie.
That clutch seat right there.
I ain't
Clutch
both of
seat.
y'all, bro. I mean, I'm learning. It's y'all too. I mean, what else can I say?
No, I think you got it. You did a great job today. This was a really short session, but that's okay. You did good. We're about to lose our lights, so we're gonna stop right here. So hey, make sure you keep tools on the ground and make sure you ride your way.
Yes, sir.
Later.
Let's go.
Fast and dangerous.